Hey everybody, the boat is out and now is the time to do the maintenance on the boat. And today what we're gonna do, we're gonna change the oil on the lower unit. So this is the lower unit. On the other side of the lower unit we have two screws. One is at the bottom right here, one is on the top. So we open up the bottom screw and loose the screw on the top so the oil can drain through. And it's a very simple process. You take out the oil, and then when you have to pump the oil in, there's a special tool that you use and the oil gets pumped in. So we're going to walk you through the process. So let's go ahead and start this process. So this is the bottom screw. We can open up this screw completely. It's always good to use a wide head flathead screwdriver. So you open up the bottom one, the top one you just loosen. Let's loosen this one and open up this one. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the top one a little bit loose so the oil can start coming out. See, once I lose more, the oil start coming out. And we're gonna let the oil drain, and then I'm gonna show you the process how to replace this oil. So it takes some time for the oil to drain, so we're gonna let it drain, and then I'm gonna go over how to replace this oil. I have done this video in the past, but I'm gonna do it again just in case I missed something last time. Last time, if you remember, there was some water in my oil because my seals for my screws were bad, so I put new seals in, and now I don't have any leakage in there or the water going in through the drain plug, so my oil is really good. So I was a little bit concerned maybe this year I have to change the seals in the lower unit, but no, that's not the case, so I'm quite happy. So we're gonna let this oil drain completely. All right, so do the oil change. They sell at West Marine, or you can buy it at Amazon. It makes your life much easier. You can pump oil through this opening. Now all you have to do is just pump. And once it gets filled up, the oil starts coming out from the top part. It takes about 3/4 of a bottle. Now the next step is tricky. So slowly remove it. And off. I'm gonna put it right away. See, that's how we do it. You're gonna tie it up now. You gotta make sure it's tied up really good, else the water can get in. This is nice and tight. And that's how you do the oil change in the lower unit.
I didn't know the supervisor.
So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and become part of the YouTube family. And I'll try to post as many videos as I can for the boat maintenance. If it helps you, like I said, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.